G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. Behind me is the Bibbulmun track. Now the Bibbulmun track is a long distance walk trail stretching 1,000 kilometres from Kalamunda near Perth to Albany on the south coast. Now it features conveniently spaced campsites that include a timber shelter, tent sites, rainwater tank and bush toilet. Now, it is named after a language group of the Noongar people of southwest Australia and recognises their practice of walking long distances for ceremonial gatherings. So I'll just turn you around. Now, as much as I really do love hiking, I wouldn't mind doing this one day. One day. I don't know when, but it'll probably be sometime in the near future. I mean, I would love to do it. But, which means I wouldn't be able to take this with me to do these nature docos. Otherwise, it'd just be added extra weight that I'd have to deal with. So, I'll just turn you around. Now, for all you serious hikers out there who would love to do the Bibbulmun track, this is one spot you could come to do it. And you're probably thinking, oh, this would be a real good serious hike to do, especially when it starts from here in Mundaring and 1,000 kilometres south to Albany. Oh, that would be a very good serious hike to do, and I'm sure you would love it. Okay, I've got to get going, so until next time, see you then.